Hey guys, I wanted to talk about an important topic in about any type of position that you're in, and I wanted to share this with you and be transparent. A lot of realtors feel like they don't want to do certain things because they don't like that part of their business. Like I'll get some of my team members telling me, well, if I can only just show houses because I'm better in meeting clients in person, I would do much better. If I don't have to make the phone calls, I would be much better. I just don't like that part of my job, about making phone calls, following up. And one thing I can tell you is you have to just embrace the part that sucks in your job. I'm sure you don't love every aspect of your job, whatever career that you're in, but however, you have to suck it up and do it. I compare this a lot of times to working out and dieting. Not everybody likes the feeling of pain when they work out, or the hunger they get when they're dieting. But most athletes just get through it. They learn how to get through that. So the number one thing that I recommend you guys to do is fall in love with the process. Try to find a way to enjoy that part where you feel like it sucks the most. Number two, try to just do it. Once it becomes a habit, you're not going to overthink it. But the key part here is it becoming a habit in your schedule, and you won't have to think about it anymore. Just like everybody when I was a kid, our parents were telling us to brush our teeth, and then we would always fight them with it, but look at us now, we just brush it, right? But just get used to that part. If you're not able to get used to the main part of your business that will get you the most income, then I'm sorry to break it to you, but maybe this is not the right job for you. Right? You cannot find a way to do the things that will get you results and everybody telling you that it's going to get you results, such as, for example, the biggest thing that I hear from realtors is that they don't like to make phone calls. Find something else to do. If you don't find a way to start doing it consistently, then maybe real estate is not for you. I think you guys can definitely push through that and then find a way to enjoy that process and do the things that will get you the most results. If you like this video, please like it, share it with somebody that you may think will benefit from it.